Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI to generate image or even video. So before we start, if you want to learn more about Leonardo AI, you can check the description and try out yourself. So let's start. So first of all, you can search for Leonardo AI in Google and you can just sign up for free to use the Leonardo AI website version. And after you have opened the web, you'll come to this panel and it has 6 categories. Later I will explain one by one. So basically, Leonardo AI, they require token to generate image. They will provide 150 token per day, and that's the limit. If you want to have a more detail, you can join the pro version for Leonardo AI. So in this desktop, you can see at the bottom is community creation. Means that this few image example was generated from other people and show to public. Basically, you can refer to their prompt and just have a reference on their prompt to have a better generate onto your image. So I will use this as our example to generate our text to image later. First, I will copy the prompt and to have a copy, later I will generate it out. We'll go through by the first category, image generation. This image generation means that we use text to convert it into image using AI. And as you can see, I have just used my sample to generate out a dragon, and at the bottom you can see there are the sample that the AI provide to us. You can choose the number of image you want to generate, and also you can customize based on the details and image dimension and others. Besides, you also can use image to have a guidance to generate out your image. For example, you want to generate a dragon, you can put a dragon initially sketch or even image so that it can have a better reference using your command to generate it out. And each of these generation require token to generate. So basically you need to optimize your usage of 150 per day to generate out image. To generate out image, you can just type your prompt and it will generate out image at the bottom. So basically this is text to image AI image generation as the first column. You can try out yourself. Next, we'll have real-time canvas. And as you can see, this is my previous generation. I have sketched my motorcycle and the motorcycle was detailed with command down below. As my prompt command is cyberpunk motorcycle, so means that the AI will make my sketch to generate out into cyberpunk motorcycle. You also can make the creative strength and also what you want based on the style, and you can generate out. So basically this tab doesn't require token when you want to have a reference of your output image. You can try out yourself. So for the next function, we have canvas editor. So let's try out for the next function. So in this canvas editor, you can edit, add, or even delete what you don't want in this photo. So for example, I have just upload my photo. You can upload your photo from computer of previous generation or even for the community example. So after that, for example, I want to make the sky full of birds. I can just first draw my mask with the relevant area at the sky so that later the AI will generate the birds on top of the sky. So after that, I have just highlighted my mask. I can add the prompt. So basically, they will add the birds on the sky, but you can play out with the prompt to make it generate more birds in the sky. So later you can try it out. So for the basic example, as you can see, they use drawing a mask or erase an image. So basically, if you mask something, you can just add something onto your photo. If you want to erase, you can choose the eraser tool to erase out unwanted on your photo. So basically, this is the function. Next we will have our motion. You can just upload your image, any image from your file, and you can just generate it out using image to motion. I will show you previously my generation using my previous image. This is my previous generate. As you can see, I use my cat photo to generate out the image from the cat so that the cat can move. So basically, you can just upload your image and choose your settings property so that it can generate out your image to motion. Next function, we will have our real-time generation. So basically, you can just type your prompt and it will generate out the image. So let me try. A Christmas tree full with present on below the tree. Kids is running beside the tree. So basically, it will have real-time generation based on your command, and you also can adjust the elements to make it based on your specified what you want. So you can make it more kid illustration, animate, folks art illustration, or even coloring book. You can just adjust and it will generate based on your requirement. So basically, this is real-time generation. You also can type in others prompts so that it can generate what is your requirement. Last function, we have universal upscaler. So basically, this one you can upscale your image to have more precise image based using AI, and I will try it out. First, you need to drop down the upscale multiplier, as this only applicable for 11 megapixel applicable for premium plan. So let us drop this down, and after that, as you can see, I can upscale my image to 4.32 megapixels, and you can choose the creativity strength, upscale to 2D art and illustration, and you can just upscale your image. So it will take some time to generate it out. So as you can see, this is the before and after comparison. You can see it has quite some details changed for the photo. So this is a very good tool if you want to make a more specified photo. So that's all for today's video. If you want to learn more, you can check the description down below. Thanks and have a nice day.